Hey, it's TJ back again, and what we're going to do for this, the second tutorial, is show you how to create an inquiry, which you'll be able to send to your friends or post publicly. So we're going to click the first option on the main title bar, and then as you'll see it says title, enter the title of your inquiry. So we can type something in there. I'll just type a bunch of letters. And then we have the edit questions button. Now just so you know, at any time you can go up to the title bar and navigate out of order, but this way it'll help you right through it step by step. So we'll hit edit, and now we have the choice to add a question or tell it that we're finished. We'll add a question since we don't have any. Again, we'll just type something in, and then we get to edit our choices. Up at the top right, if you can see it, that's a plus button, which is what you hit to add a choice. And you'll just click the choice, hit OK, and it's just going to keep re-asking you over and over so you don't keep having to hit the plus button. And once you finish, you don't want any more choices, all you do is you hit cancel. You get a maximum of 10 choices per question. At the bottom here we have a save question button, and from there we can hit finished, and it'll go right up to the top. If you can see, and it says send, that's how you would go and send it. But what we're going to do is navigate through a couple of the different things. We're already on the question screen, so we're going to go to privacy. What privacy is it can either be public or private. And private inquiries, you can only have people answer them that are in your BBM contact list that you've specifically invited. Public ones, on the other hand, anybody can join and take if they have your details or an image of your barcode that they can scan. In order to change the privacy, we can scroll down or touch on this lock. You're going to get a warning message that, in fact, your details, anybody can use it if they have your details. And we'll go back up to the top. We can now move to save, which we can then send to people later, or what I will do is I'll go to send. And since it's a public one, we now have options. We can either just open this to the public, in which case we would have to advertise the details or the barcode, or we can open it and then also invite friends. So it'll end up being an open public inquiry, but we'll be able to choose friends from a list, and then they'll be able to answer it with our invitations. I'm just going to click open for this one, and as you can see, I already have a public inquiry open. You can only have one open at a time. So now it's just telling me that I'm either going to have to close that current one and use this one, or cancel. And I will close the current one and give it the permission to go ahead. And now here, these are the details that you would have to give out. The PIN, the PPID, or what we like is this line down here. You can use that and embed it inside a QR code, and then the application can scan that, parse the information, then connect you straight to the inquiry. So once we close this, we'll end up back at our list screen, and we can see at the very end of the list is the new inquiry that we made, all the Fs.